In the Shamla Navratri series, today I will be presenting a Kriti in Raga Saramati. This is composed by Sri Bharati Tirtha Mahaswamigal. Manikya Veena Manikya Veena Upalayalantim Madalasa Manjula Vagvilasa Mahendra Nila Juti Komala Gim Matanga Kanya Manasa Smarami Mahendra Nila Juta Komalangim Matanga Kanya Manasa Smarami Matanga Kanyam Manasa Smarami Matanga Kanyam Manasa Smarami Shankara Pujite Sharade Shankara Pujite Sharade Sharva Sahodari Sharade Shankara Pujite Sharade Sharva Sahodari Sharade Shankara Pujite Sharade Abhishtavarade Sharade Adbhuta Charite Sharade Abhishtavarade Sharade Adbhuta Charite Sharade Shrungagiriste Sharade Shruti Pratipade Sharade Shrungagiriste Sharade Shruti Pratipade Sharade Shankara Pujite Sharade Shankara Pujite Sharade Mangaladayini Sharade Sangeeta Priye Sharade Mangaladayini Sharade Sangeeta Priye Sharade Kavita Varade Sharade Kovala Charane Sharade Kavita Varade Sharade Kovala Charane Sharade Kavita Varade Sharade Kovala Charane Sharade Sankara Pujite Sharade Sharva Sahodari Sharade Shankara Pujite Sharade Shankara Pujite Sharade